Folks, the electric vehicle revolution has begun, and I want you to come along with me for the ride. This is a really exciting time. Folks, Democrats winning both the House and Senate, and with Biden pledges to transition the U.S. economy away from the oil industry, this goal cannot be achieved without the electrification of road transport, which accounts for about 70% of Americans' oil consumption in 2019. Market forces and green government policies are accelerating this shift in the United States and all over the world. The electrification of transport is now one of the major trends of 21st century, and markets are reacting. The one-year surge of 1,392% in China-based electric car maker NIO, stock value, and what about Tesla? 739% 12-month growth shows that investor excitement around electric vehicles is increasing in momentum at exponential levels. And this is likely to continue as we head into 2021, especially in light of the political direction driving the economy over the next 4 years, right? I mean, come on, let's be honest here. That is why today I want to focus on 2 electric vehicle battery stocks, and I believe will show substantial upside over the next quarter or 2, and these are the ones I want to focus on today. The first one, I can hardly pronounce the pronunciation of the stock, so I'm just going to give you the ticker symbol. It's SQM, ticker symbol SQM. It has a very fancy South American name. It manufactures industrial chemicals like lithium and iodine, derivative products. The company sells its products to over 60 countries throughout the world. According to my research, this is the second biggest lithium producer behind Albemarle, ALB. And one of the most compelling reasons to own SQM stock is that the mining firm is located within the so-called Lithium Triangle, a region in the Andes rich in lithium reserves around the borders of Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile. 1-year return, 114%. Had 16% positive earnings surprise last quarter. Price target over the next 10 weeks, I'm expecting it to reach $68 per share. Next stock, Livent Corp, ticker symbol LTHM. Livent Corporation produces and distributes lithium chemicals. The company offers lithium chemicals for applications in batteries, aerospace alloys, pharmaceuticals, polymers, and other industrial applications. The company runs its lithium business in the Salar del Hombre Muerto region in Argentina, one of the countries of Lithium Triangle. Keep focused on that Lithium Triangle. That's where the money is. LTHM stock has been steadily rising since 2020's March sell-off. Like other lithium stock, it has found substantial momentum following the US presidential election. Also, the stock is part of the Russell 2000 index, which has been leading all major US indices since the first presidential debate and continues to show non-stop momentum. 1-year return is 149% plus, and a 2-month price target is $25 per share. I believe the electric vehicle space is only now getting started, with Biden getting ready to put into action close to $1 trillion modern infrastructure project, which includes massive disruptive tech such as renewable energy, electric cars. There's a good chance we'll see substantial upside from lithium companies that are pumping big demand for lithium in the months to come. And don't forget about my original lithium stock that I recommended about 1 month ago. It's the biggest lithium producer in the world, and since January of 2020, about a year ago, shares are up about 106%, and I'm expecting more upside to come. The ticker symbol is ALB, Albemarle. Hope that helps. Folks, I'm super excited about this. Last year, 10 times trading champion Chuck Hughes took a $4,600 starter account and turned it into a whopping $67,268. This exact same strategy gave Chuck's readers the chance to go 20 years without posting a single down year. It was clear to us that Chuck has managed to crack the stock market code, and we wanted to learn his secret. So I sat down with him for an exclusive interview and asked him to reveal his winning strategy. And luckily, we got the conversation on tape. All you've got to do is click on the link below to watch our conversation and discover Chuck's wealth building secret. Do it now before it's offline.